The most profitable kind of video marketing is live video streaming. Don't miss out on your chance to learn how to use live video streaming in your business. The next revolutionary concept you'll incorporate into your marketing plan is live video streaming. The video content marketing market is worth $1 billion. Also, if you want to start increasing your sales with live streaming today, click the link below to start for free. Hey guys, welcome to another exciting video from our channel. In today's video, we will look at some top strategies for increasing sales using live streams for businesses today. But before we carry on with the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Let's get started. Users are increasingly relying on video content to shape their perceptions of a business and their chances of purchasing from it. Cisco predicts that by 2021, worldwide video traffic would account for around 80% of all consumer internet traffic. That's a lot of chances to grow your brand's audience at every stage of the sales funnel: awareness, contemplation, and action. Here are 6 strategies that'll help you in creating engaging live streams that'll up your sales. Number 6. Use pre-event teasers and notifications. Your audience must be notified before the main live streaming event. Create teaser films and photographs to promote on social media. It's a good idea to start your pre-event campaign at least 2 weeks before the live video stream. Using pre-written remarks is another excellent technique to alert your viewers to your live video streaming. How to do this? As soon as you've decided on a theme for your live video, start scheduling it. It's the cornerstone of a successful live stream promotion strategy, and it's designed to provide potential viewers with all of the information they need to watch you live. So as soon as you've planned your live video, make sure to promote it on all of the social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Create social media posts on all of these channels to promote your forthcoming live video session, including Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter. This will create a hype around your target audience, and it'll make sure that they join your live stream. Number 5. Live stream hot events and product launches. Streaming new product launches is one of the best ways to earn purchases from your live video. Demonstration videos are usually engaging, especially when they demonstrate how to utilize a product and the desired outcome. Inviting an industry influencer is a great approach to boost sales via live video streaming during product launches. Your viewpoint will have a significant impact on your audience. People are hesitant to explore new things unless they have a lot of information about them. They'll be less anxious about purchasing anything new if they see a live example of how the product is used. The platform selection is a critical issue. If you want your product launch to be successful, you must match the product with the correct type of audience. You can't accomplish that until you know where your audience hangs out on social media and video streaming sites. When you want to cast a wide net with your product's live stream, you want to go to platforms that aren't specialized and have the largest audience. The following are your go-to options. Facebook Live is the world's largest social network with live broadcasting capabilities. It's the place to go if you want to reach out to the largest number of people in the world. YouTube Live is the most popular on-demand video platform. It's an excellent choice because it combines organic and paid advertising benefits. It's owned by Google. Number 4. Offer buy now discounts. For both your customers and your company, a flash sale is a win-win situation. It's a fantastic opportunity for clients to receive exactly what they want at a price they can afford. It's an opportunity for you to do everything from achieving KPI goals to liquidate certain products. A lot of people buy things on the spur of the moment. If they're not in a good mood, they'll make a purchase, believing that the new goods will make them happy. Another cost could be a significant discount that's only available for a limited time. This is your opportunity to promote your product in your live video and give discounts to viewers who purchase it now until the live video ends. If your sales strategy includes periodic flash sales, you should think about integrating live video content to boost your sales. It's a good match as the content and sales approaches are both proven to work. Your viewers will believe that this is their last chance to get a good deal on your product. Some will brag about being among the first to get their hands on the product. Remember to mention your discounts and the deadline for making a purchase as often as possible, only as long as you're alive. Your choice of platform for hosting your flash sales live stream is critical to its success. It all comes down to the audience. If you're streaming on a platform and no one is watching, you shouldn't anticipate excellent results. Number 3. Organize live auctions and competitions. Offering buy now discounts is similar to this. It's a little more difficult though because your viewers will be competing against one another to be the lone winner. This could take the shape of a series of questions and responses. Ask questions about your brand or product, and the first person to respond will receive the item for free or at a significant discount. This will increase the number of people who are aware of your products. There will undoubtedly be people who have always wanted to buy your products but have been unable to do so due to financial constraints. They will not pass up this opportunity to become a satisfied customer and later a brand ambassador. Good planning is essential for every successful auction. Preparing for an auction may be quite stressful because there's so many different factors to consider. Careful planning and attention to detail, on the other hand, will help you reach your fundraising goals while also providing a pleasurable evening. You may be unsure about how to plan your auction, which is understandable. You can basically stick to a typical one's format. Begin with a short video message and use the live chat to encourage bids throughout the auction. The most important thing is to make a detailed schedule for the evening. It's difficult to dismiss the power of social media given how much time people spend online. Using social media channels like Twitter and Instagram to promote your auction is critical to its success. They not only help you reach a larger audience, but they also help you disseminate your message. Currently, there are two basic types of online auction hosting systems. Live broadcasting platforms such as YouTube Live and Facebook Live are available. Alternatively, conferencing software such as Zoom and GoToMeeting can be used. Number 2, make your live video streaming a webinar. Make it a webinar, go live and monetize it if you have extremely great content and are confident there will be a lot of demand for it. As exclusive information, you'll be able to charge a fee for it. Webinars take a lot of work to put together, so make sure what you're offering is worth the time and effort you invest into the planning stage. It's not worth organizing a webinar unless you have something extremely important and unique to offer. Number 1, stream to multiple platforms. Don't just choose one platform to go live on. This will reduce the chances of monetizing your live video. Stream to all the channels your audience is on. This will give you an additional chance to run ads on your videos. One of the primary reasons for simultaneously broadcasting on many channels is to increase your web reach. Most live video watchers watch the streams on mobile phones, according to marketers and content creators. For example, YouTube claims that mobile devices account for more than 70% of its overall watch time. When using a mobile device, consumers tend to select their favorite platforms. Users may already be surfing the platform, so if you're live on numerous channels, your chances of obtaining viewers rise. Another big benefit of broadcasting on numerous channels is that you may take advantage of the best features of each platform. You don't have to choose between going live on Facebook or YouTube, you may do both. The advantages of live streaming on Facebook are numerous, and YouTube Live as well as other platforms such as Twitch, YouNow, Livestream, and others offer a wealth of functionality. When you broadcast over numerous channels, you may reach a significantly larger audience while taking advantage of the greatest features of each platform, whether paid or free. These were some of the best strategies for maximizing the impact of live streaming as a sales technique. Keep in mind that the goal of live stream is to establish a strong relationship with your audience and generate significant demand for your business. If you want to start increasing your sales with live streaming today, click the link below to start for free. And with that, we come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting content. See you in the next video.